Hello everyone, so today we will be solving chapter 1 representing the earth. Choose the correct option. A dash is a three-dimensional model of the earth that depicts its spherical shape. B. Globe. A dash map shows international and state boundaries. B. Political. The four cardinal directions can be divided into dash intermediate directions. 8. Linear scale is also called dash scale. Graphical. Dash is not drawn according to scale. Sketch. Fill in the blanks. A dash is a representation of the earth on a flat surface. A map. The dash is an arrow that points towards the geographical north direction. North. Internationally accepted symbols that are used in a map are called dash signs. Conventional. NAL. The key or dash is like an index which explains patterns used on a map. Key or legend. True or false. The shape of the earth is a true sphere. False. The earth has a tilted axis just like the globe. True. The drawings of large land masses get distorted in maps. True. Maps give accurate information even for small areas. False. This will be true. The arrow in the top right hand corner of the map is marked with the letter S. False. Difference between the following: plane and sketch. Sketch may cover a small or a large area, while a plane covers a small area. And for scale, sketch, rough a drawing that is not drawn to scale, and for plane is drawn on a large scale. Detail shown: sketch shows only the required detail and plane shows detail with accurate measurement. ये हो गया सी का 1 और ए क्या है? सी का 1. Next is political and physical map. Physical map contains information about landforms such as mountains, valleys, plains, rivers and other physical features, while political map contains information that about country, state, capital, national and international boundaries. ये हो गया सी का आंसर 2. Next is large scale and small scale map. So small scale maps show a large area. The represented area is large, but the size of the object is small with less detail. For example, map in an atlas. ये हो गया small scale के लिए and ये हो गया large scale के लिए. Large scale map shows a small area like a village, town or city on a map. They represent a smaller area, but the size of the object is large with greater details shown. So ये हो गया सी का आंसर 3. सी का 3. Refer to page 15 for labeling this diagram. Page number 15 for both the diagrams. Now F, answer the questions in brief. What is cartography? Who is a cartographer? The art of map making is called cartography, and the art expert person generating the map is called cartographer. So this is F ka answer number 1. Question number 2, what is meant by the title of a map? Answer is the title of a map indicates the area and the information that is shown on the map. For example, a political map of the world will show different countries of the world, their capitals and boundaries. So this is answer number 2, F2. Question number 3, name the cardinal and intermediate directions. So the four cardinal directions are north, south, east and west. So this is F3. Then the four cardinal directions can be further divided into 8 intermediate directions, so that are north, east, southeast, southwest, northwest. So this is F3. Number 4, what are large scale maps? So ये जो C3 का जो आंसर था, large scale maps show a small area like village, town or city on a map. They represent a smaller area but the size of the objects is large with greater detail. ये हो जाएगा आंसर F4 का भी. Question number 5, how are colors useful for a map? So colors play a very important role in maps as they help us interpret different landform, their form, depth, altitude and their variations. This is F5. You can also write the examples. G. Answer the questions in detail. Give reasons why a map does not represent the Earth's surface as accurately as a globe. Because Earth is huge in size and roughly spherical in shape, so we cannot see the entire Earth from any single view. So it is not easy to study the entire Earth without a miniature model. So here a globe is a three-dimensional model of the Earth that depicts its spherical shape. So it is the best representation of the Earth. So that's why we can't, map can't really show the Earth's surface as accurate as a globe. G ka 1. Question number 2. Define a map. What are the essential features of a map? So, map is a drawing of visual representation of the Earth's surface or a part of it, showing countries, towns, rivers on a flat surface according to scale. ये हो गया what is map. G का आंसर नंबर 2. एसेंशियल फीचर्स क्या क्या हो जाएंगे? टाइटल, डायरेक्शन, स्केल और डिस्टेंस, कन्वेंशनल सिंबल्स एंड कलर्स एंड की और लेजेंड. सो ये हो गया जी का आंसर नंबर 2. Number 3, define the scale of a map. How is it useful? The scale of a map is defined as the ratio between the map distance and the corresponding ground distance. G3 का first part. Then how is it useful? So a map reduces the entire world or a part of it to fit any size of a paper. So this reduction is done very carefully so that the distance between the place on the map is shown in the proportion to the actual distance between them on the earth. ये हो गया second part. G3. Question number 4. Give reason why conventional symbols are necessary. It is necessary because a map does not have enough space to show various features like tree, building, road, rail, routes in their actual shape or size. So to overcome this difficulty, different signs, shape, color, pattern and symbols with predetermined meaning are used to show specific feature. G4. Right. Question number 5. What are the limitations of sketch and plans? Limitations of sketch are sketch is rough drawing based mainly on observation and memory, and it is not to scale. ये पहला point. Then it does not show the true shape size of the feature mentioned in the drawing. Second point for G5.